Alright squad, imagine your grandpa's leather jacket got an upgrade, hit the gym, started listening to techno, and rolled up on a brand new beast. Boom, that's the BMW R 1300 R 2025. A naked bike so classy, it sips espresso and wheelies at the same time. Let's get into it, and warning, your current bike might catch feelings. What's up, Throttle fam? Welcome back to Biker's Choice, the pit stop for speed, sarcasm, and some seriously questionable financial decisions involving motorcycles. If you're new here, congrats, you've just entered the land of revs and roasted tires. And today, we're going full Bavarian mode because BMW has just dropped the R 1300 R 2025, and it's got more muscle, more tech, and more attitude than ever. This ain't your dad's Beamer, folks. This is the one that skipped the briefcase and brought a baseball bat to the office. Drop a ride or BMW in the chat if you're already a fan. And if you've never ridden a Beamer, no worries, today's the day we change your life, or at least your wishlist. Looks that punch you in the face, in a good way. Let's talk design, because the R 1300R is serving raw and ready. You know that friend who walks into a party in a plain white tee and somehow still steals the spotlight? That's this bike. BMW's ditched the extra fluff, no windscreen, no full fairings, just muscle, aggression, and that iconic boxer stance. The new LED headlight looks like it's constantly judging your life choices. The tank, sculpted like it lifts twice a day. And those exposed mechanicals, chef's kiss. Mechanical minimalism never looked so hardcore. Real talk, if the R 1300R was a person, it'd wear a leather jacket to a yoga class and still pull it off. Tell me in the comments, would you rather have a fully fared supersport or a naked beast that flexes this hard? The Boxer engine, now angrier, beefier, and still Boxer AF. Alright engine nerds, buckle up because the R 1300R isn't just here to look pretty. This beast is packing the new 1,300 cubic centimeters Boxer engine that's basically a torque monster in disguise. How much power, you ask? Try 145 horsepower and 149 Newton-meters of torque. That's enough to outrun your midlife crisis and still have time to stop for coffee. And the torque? It's available so low in the rev range, it's like the bike is constantly whispering, you wanna fight? You twist the throttle at 3000 RPM and boom, you're in warp speed. Comment, torque me up, if you live for that low-end grunt. Or just shout it out loud in your living room, I won't judge. Tech that knows you better than your mom. Now listen, BMW never just slaps an engine on two wheels and calls it a day. Nope. They loaded this thing with more gadgets than a Bond movie. We're talking dynamic traction control, DTC, for those moments when you think you're Valentino Rossi. ABS Pro, because regular ABS is so 2010. Dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment. That's right. Your bike adjusts its own suspension based on how reckless you're being. Riding modes galore, including rain, road, dynamic, and my personal favorite, please don't sue me. Plus, there's a 6.5-inch TFT display that probably has more features than your TV at home. Navigation, calls, music, ride data, only thing missing is Netflix. Drop a tech flex in the comments if you love your bike smarter than your ex. Handling, big guy got moves. You'd think a 1,300 cubic centimeters Boxer would feel like a hippo in yoga class, right? Wrong. The R 1300R handles like it's on rails. With a new lighter chassis, upgraded suspension, and low center of gravity, this thing flicks through corners like it's in a MotoGP audition tape. The front end feels planted, the rear sticks like glue, and the whole bike gives you that, I could ride this all day, vibe. And trust me, you'll want to. Question of the day. Are you more of a Sunday twisties rider or a daily commuter with an attitude problem? Tell me below. Comfort meets chaos, the daily ride with swagger. Here's where the R 1300R really flexes, comfort. This isn't one of those, ride for 10 minutes and schedule a chiropractor, bikes. No sir. BMW gave it ergos that love your spine, a seat that doesn't scream betrayal after 100 kilometers, and cruise control for when you're pretending to be responsible. And heated grips. Because obviously, you're classy like that. So now we've got a bike that's fast, teched out, sexy, and comfy. Honestly, it's starting to feel unfair. Price tag, how much to feel this German love? Okay, let's talk cash. The 2025 BMW R 1300 R starts at around $16,500, which, considering the performance, tech, and I ride a BMW flex, is honestly not bad. Not cheap, sure, but value for your vroom? Absolutely. And we all know, you can't put a price on looking this cool at a red light. Would you buy it, finance it, or just print a picture of it and cry? Let me know below. No shame here. We've all been there. Final verdict, is this the new street king? So, is the R 1300 or 2025 the perfect naked roadster? Honestly, it might be. BMW has taken everything they've learned from their boxer heritage, cranked the volume, tossed in tech wizardry, and wrapped it in a body that says, I punch windshields for fun. It's fast, it's comfy, it's refined, but also angry. It's that rare unicorn that's down to race and down to chill. So yeah, this bike slaps. Alright legends, that's a wrap on the BMW R 1300 or 2025 breakdown. If your hands aren't sweaty and your wallet isn't shaking in fear, did you even watch the whole video? Make sure to like, subscribe, and absolutely obliterate that bell icon so you don't miss any future bike madness here at Biker's Choice. And yo, drop your dream Street Fighter in the comments. Are you Team R 1300R? Or is there another naked beast that's got your heart? Until next time, ride safe, ride loud, and if it doesn't make your neighbors hate you, is it even a real bike? Brace yourselves, because the legendary CBZ Xtreme is back, and it's got more attitude, more power, and probably better hair than you. Hey bikers and thrill junkies. Welcome back to Biker's Choice, the home of true two-wheeled madness. If you're new here, you just entered the Temple of Torque, where the engines speak louder than politicians during elections. And today, we're talking about something so iconic, so nostalgic, it could make your dad cry and your mechanic smile, the return of the one and only Hero Honda CBZ Xtreme, and yes, in 2025, it's making the kind of comeback that even Salman Khan would envy. The bike that taught us how to flex. Now let's go back in time, mid-2000s, low-rise jeans, Bluetooth headsets, and the Hero Honda CBZ Xtreme. It wasn't just a bike, it was a lifestyle. If you had a CBZ Xtreme, you didn't need six-pack abs to be cool. The bike did the flexing for you. It had muscle, it had style, and it roared like it meant business. While other bikes said, excuse me, the CBZ Xtreme said, out of my way, bro. 2025, the Xtreme comeback. Fast forward to 2025, and Hero Honda has decided to dig into its golden archive and pull out a masterpiece. Yes, CBZ Xtreme is back, and it's not here to quietly stand in the corner. It's here to take the spotlight, steal your girl, and leave tire marks on your heart. The new CBZ Xtreme 2025 is not just a refresh, it's a reinvention. Sleeker design, sharper angles, and an exhaust note that sounds like thunder on Red Bull. It's like the old CBZ went on a strict gym routine, learned MMA, studied AI, and came back as a biker superhero. Let's talk specs, because numbers matter. Alright, let's get nerdy for a moment. Under the tank, we've got a refined 160 cubic centimeters fuel-injected engine, capable of delivering power like a hot cup of chai during winters, fast, strong, and soul-healing. Expect around 15 to 16 bhp, smoother gear shifts, and a growl that turns heads at red lights. And of course, it's BS 6.2 compliant, because even beasts have to follow the rules these days. You get LED DRLs, a fully digital instrument cluster, dual disc brakes with ABS, and yes, a USB charging port for your phone, because maps asking strangers. Old soul, new style. Now let's talk aesthetics. This thing looks like the CBZ you remember, but with a college degree in swag. A sharp fuel tank, aggressive stance, split seats, and color options that scream, look at me. It's the perfect mix of classic aggression and modern flair. Like if John Wick wore sneakers. It's got that heroic charm we fell in love with, but now it's dressed for the future. CBZ versus today's street monsters, can it win? Now here's the spicy part, will it hold up in today's crowded 160 cubic centimeters segment? You've got street fighters like Apache RTR, Pulsar NS, Yamaha FZS, all flexing hard. But CBZ doesn't need to scream, it just arrives. It's not trying to be flashy. It is the flash. It's for riders who want power with purpose, looks with legacy, and speed with soul. And if Hero Honda plays it smart and drops it under that sweet 1.2 lakh mark, buy, traffic main CBZ's high CBZ's Dikemch. Audience check in, your turn to ride the mic. Alright, enough from us, let's shift gears to you. Did you or your friends ever ride the original CBZ Xtreme? Was it your college crush's dream bike? Did it feature in your biker boy photo shoot with those classic wide sunglasses and spiky hair? Tell us in the comments, your CBZ stories, your dreams about the new one, or even your heartbreak if you sold your old one for a Splendor. We won't judge. Also, would you buy the new CBZ Xtreme 2025? Be honest, are you already checking your bank balance? Final thoughts, long live the Xtreme. The return of the CBZ Xtreme is not just a bike launch, it's a reunion. It's memories on two wheels. It's the hero bike for every hero who grew up dreaming of speed and style. So, if you're looking for a bike with legacy, looks, and X factor, you might want to clear some space in your garage. Because the Xtreme is back, baby, and it's ready to rule the roads again. That's all for today's ride down memory lane, mixed with a detour into the future. If this video revved your heart like a CBZ in third gear, then hit that like button, share it with your riding buddies, and don't forget to subscribe to Biker's Choice, your ultimate pit stop for everything motorcycles. Until next time, ride hard, ride smart, and keep the legacy alive.